Johnny, no!
Where's Sophie? I don't know. I haven't seen it for a while. I gotta use the bathroom. What is this statue? This was never here. I don't think they're real. Very good. Where's he going? You know what? I'm really cold. I need a pillow. I mean, a blanket.
Killing brings so much joy to me. Close enough. Man, Laura must be taking a crap or something. She's been gone for a really long time.
I know. So is Courtney.
I know. I should check on him.
Yeah, go ahead.
Come back.
Courtney! Laura! Where are you? What the heck is this?
I don't care anymore.
Man, where did everybody go? I'll go get my jacket while I look for them.
Flavor Kim!
Gordon.
Thanks for joining another episode of the Cake Show.
Hope you liked our movie that was rated R.
For retarded! But yeah, join us the next time for another episode of the Cake Show. This calls for a nail emergency.